Welcome to SOURAV Sir's classes. The question is, in a local shop as part of promotional measures, the shop owner sells 3 different varieties of soap, one at loss of 13%, another at profit of 23%, and the third one at a loss of 26%. Assuming that the shop owner sells all 3 varieties of soap at the same price, the approximate percentage by which average cost price is lower or higher than the selling price is. Let the cost price of 3 soaps be CP1, CP2 and CP3, and let the selling price of all soaps be SP. Then CP1 is equal to SP into 100 by 100 minus 13, that is 100 by 87 SP. Similarly, CP2 is 100 by 100 plus 23 SP, that is 100 by 123 SP, and CP3 is equal to SP into 100 by 100 minus 26 is equal to 100 by 74 SP. Then on adding these 3 equations 1, 2 and 3, we get CP1 plus CP2 plus CP3 by SP is equal to 100 by 87 plus 100 by 123 plus 100 by 74. This gives us CP1 plus CP2 plus CP3 by SP is equal to 3.313. Or, now dividing both sides by 3 and subtracting 1, we get CP1 plus CP2 plus CP3 by 3SP minus 1 is equal to 3.313 by 3 minus 1. We get CP1 plus CP2 plus CP3 by 3SP numerator minus SP into 100 is equal to 3.313 by 3 minus 1 into 100, which is approximately equal to 10.5%. So the correct option, this is 10.433, approximately 10.5%. The correct option is option A. The next question is, in the marketing management course of an MBA program, you and your roommate can complete an assignment in 30 days. If you are twice as efficient as your roommate, the time required by each to complete the assignment individually is. So let the time taken by the person be X days and by the roommate be 2x days. Then according to the question, 1 by x plus 1 by 2x is equal to 1 by 30, or 2 plus 1 by 2x is equal to 1 by 30. From here we get x is equal to 45 days. So 2x is equal to 90 days. So the time would be 45 days and 90 days respectively, that is option A.